Hi there, this grammar video is going to be about compound sentences. So first, let's look at what a simple sentence is. A simple sentence contains a subject and a verb and expresses a complete thought or idea. A simple sentence is also referred to as an independent clause. Look at the example below. Bander goes to school every day. The subject is Bander. The verb is goes. The complete thought is Bander goes to school every single day. Okay, so what is a compound sentence? Well, a compound sentence is made up of two simple sentences. It is usually joined by a coordinating conjunction. Well, I should say it's always joined by a coordinating conjunction. And, but, or so. And a comma usually comes before the coordinating conjunction in a compound sentence. Let's look at this example of a compound sentence using the word and. You use and when two ideas are related. In the example, the teacher was nice and he was very helpful. In this sentence, the two ideas are related in regards to the teacher. The next compound sentence using but. We use but when two ideas are contrasting or very different. The show was nice, but the actors were horrible. So here you have a really good show, but you have really, really bad actors. Those are contrasting or very different ideas. Okay? Next example using the word so. You use so when the second sentence is a result of the first sentence. Riyadh Park is closed, so I am going to Riyadh Gallery. Last example, using the word or. You use or when you have a choice or two possibilities. Okay? You can walk up the stairs or you can take the elevator. I don't know about you guys, but I am taking the elevator. Okay, let's practice to see if you've been paying attention. Are you ready? Okay, in this activity, you're going to match the definition with the conjunction. Pause the video and take about a minute or so to complete this activity. Press play when you're ready to continue. Okay, here are the answers. How did you do? Okay, the next activity, you're going to combine the sentences with and, or, but, or so. I've given you an example here. Okay, the example. The professor is nice. The class is very boring. So the correct answer would be, the professor is nice, but the class is very boring. Why? These are very different or contrasting ideas. So go ahead and do this activity. Take about 1 minute and pause the video. Then press play when you're ready to continue and see the answers. Okay, here are the answers. This was pretty simple, right? Pretty easy. All right, good job. Okay, you guys, turn to page 93 in your books. I want you to start with activity A on 93 and 94. There are a total of 5 questions. So in activity A, complete each sentence with and, or, but, or so, then write the reason you chose that conjunction. This is just like the practice that we just did. Take about a minute or two. If you need longer, that's okay. Press pause, then press play when you're ready to continue and seeing the answers. Okay guys, these are the answers for activity A on pages 93 and 94. Okay guys, continue with activity B on page 94. Just combine the sentences with and, or, but, or so, and remember to add commas. Take about a couple of minutes to do this, press pause, and then press play when you are ready to continue. All right, here are the answers for Activity B on page 94. Okay guys, let's move to Activity C. In Activity C, you're going to write 5 compound sentences using each conjunction at least one time. So one sentence for and, one for or, one for but, and one for so. And then you have an additional sentence to write. If you have any trouble, go back earlier in the video and look at the examples that I use for each conjunction. Remember, your answers will vary, so we will not go over these answers. This is just for your practice. Okay guys, now that you've completed Activity C, go ahead and go to Activity D. I want you to find 5 compound sentences and reading 2 on pages 84 and 85. So underline the sentences and circle the coordinating conjunctions. Take about 5 minutes or so, pause the video, and then press play to continue to see the answers. Okay, here are the answers for Activity D on page 94. All right, good job. Now remember, for additional practice, go online to LMS, okay? Thank you so much.